In this video, we're gonna figure out the missing number. So if we have a problem like this that says type the missing number, and we have 38 equals blank tens plus blank ones. So we need to figure out how many tens 38 has and how many ones 38 has. So the first thing to do is to use this chart to help you with the words. So we could look for 30. Here's 30. And then we can look for 8. Here's 8. So 30 is part of the tens and 8 is in the ones column. So now we could also use a place value chart. So 38, we put the 3 in the tens and the 8 in the ones. This is how 38 looks. And here's the number. And again, the number on its own without the chart. This is the tens and this is the ones. So the answer to 38 equals 3 tens plus 8 ones. So 3 tens for 30 and 8 ones for 8. And that's it. And you could keep practicing this to make it'll become more clear. And if you need more practice, just check out the description. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook, and in the ebook you could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. And thank you for listening, and don't worry, practice makes improvement.